Hi everyone, I've got this absolutely fantastic opportunity today located on Ivory Close in Eccles to show you this gorgeous show home standard 3-bedroom property we have situated on a lovely quiet cul-de-sac in a desirable location. Coming through, we've got our entrance hallway here with a cupboard and storage under the stairs. Coming through to this beautiful contemporary fitted modern kitchen that we have here at the front of the property. Lots of storage and unit space here. You can see we've got a gorgeous quiet cul-de-sac here to the front and the benefit of a double driveway as well for plenty of off-road parking. Again, very spacious in here. Got room there if you wanted to add a dining table as well. And then we've got this really great entrance hallway as well, and the added benefit of this lovely, well-maintained downstairs WC. Coming through to this gorgeous space here, we've got this media wall, fireplace and lights there as well. Got a really nice space here at the back of the property for our living room, again beautifully presented throughout to a show home standard. And we've got patio doors and a window to the rear which leads out into this fantastic space that we have at the back. Composite decking here, we get the sun in the morning, and then later on, as we can see, got a nice sun trap to the back here. Seated area, composite decking as well. Gorgeous sunny day. So the sun does end here at the night, but again starts at the front here where the decking is. So you've got the added benefit of the seating, or the potential to have the seating at both the front and back of the garden. Again, just following that sun around the garden. Gorgeous space there. As well as the property being very nicely done throughout, the rooms are very spacious. So you can see as we're coming up to the first floor, loads of natural light flooding through into the master bedroom here. Very generously sized rooms, all well proportioned. You've got large space here, and then further storage all the way back there, and space and further storage just through that door. Same again here, further storage just on the landing here, which is always good to have. And then we've got this lovely family bathroom, 3-piece suite with the addition of the shower, extractor and a window. You can see the property's all been very well maintained, but is in a fantastic location as well. In between Eccles, Earlham, you're near the Trafford Centre, Monton Village, lots of local amenities, shops, restaurants nearby, fantastic parks and schools as well. So you've got the benefit of a gorgeous house and a fantastic location as well. So this is the second largest bedroom. We've got a super king bed in here. Absolutely gorgeous space that we have. Presented very nicely as well, you can see there. And then this is the third and final bedroom, which is being used as an office. Again, great space, comes further back just behind me here, which I'll show you in a second. Flooded with natural light, garden space there. Further storage to the back, and again, just a very great sized bedroom here, completing the first floor. We would highly recommend a viewing. Please give our office a call on 0161 707 4900.